What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Hey, your boy's been on a little bit of a hiatus right now. You know, work and life is keeping your boy, pretty occupied right now, doing things, work. Just came back from a work trip and whatnot. About to go back out on another one, but haven't had very little time to get in front of this camera, make some of these videos, but I freed up some time, and that's what I'm doing today. So I want to sit here and first thank y'all for real. We're almost at 400 subscribers, and I still haven't put out videos in a while. So hey, again, I appreciate y'all coming by, watching the videos, tuning in, subscribing to the channel. I appreciate it, y'all, and I'm gonna keep putting these videos out. I got some new kicks to review. I got new Lego sets to put time lapse together and whatnot. It's all here, just waiting to get some time to do it. So, but again, I appreciate y'all still sticking with your boy, still watching the videos, still liking the channel. So today's video is going to be a sneaker review video. It is a pair that released about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, and I'm gonna call this a casualty of wrong timing, because this sneaker right here, they're calling it a brick, sitting on shelves, but in actuality, I think it looks good. I think the materials on it are good. I actually saw it in the store before I actually came home and was able to, look at my own pair. So, but that's what we're here to do. We're gonna review the pair that I got in the mail. So the pair that I'm talking about is right here. And if you already got this pair, you know what the colorway is about. And it is an Air Jordan 1, and it's got the black, gray little, color scheme to the box. And of course, the tag reads Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color is black, fire red, white, which in actually, I don't know why they chose those color names to describe the sneaker, but hey, we'll get to it. It's a size 10, it's your boy's personal size. And in front of us, ladies and gents, what we got is the Air Jordan 1 washed blacks. And pretty dope. So check them out right here. And I'm gonna let y'all know right now, first impressions, this is not a bad sneaker. Not at all. The suede on these, I'm happy with the suede. You guys know how I'm real picky with the suedes, they put on Jordan. So this right here is not a bad suede. Kind of reminds me of the pink Jordan 1s that released a couple of months ago, but of course they were pink. Same deal. They just replaced the pink with this gray. They call it wash blacks. The colors, they say that they're black. No, it's gray. It's a dark gray. But hey, Jordan brand be funny with the names. And of course, I said it time and time again, with any other sneaker that has this colorway, it's the year of the sale colorway. Yeah, they're gonna sail us to death with this right here all over sneakers. I'm telling y'all, they're gonna do it for the rest of the year until we get tired of it. But again, dope sneaker. Quality is gonna on the suede. The other leather looks good, nice and smooth, plush. Not plush, excuse me. A little tumbled, not that bad, but it's not that smooth looking, fake feel that some Jordans get that I'm not with. And yeah, and like I said, it's a Jordan 1. It's neutral color, so you could rock these with anything. Anything. So, all right, well, you know what? Let me stop jabbing my jaw about them. Let me put them in front of the camera so that you can make your own decision on them. See if y'all like them. See if y'all gonna pass up on them if you didn't cop, because they're sitting on shelves, y'all. Casualty of the releasing time. I'm telling y'all right now, this would have released around tax time or released around the holiday season. These would have been a sellout because they're so dope. So let's put them in front of the camera. Let's put them on the rotation view and give y'all the up close and personal look at these Air Jordan 1 wash blacks. All right, y'all, let's get it. All right, y'all, well, here we got the Air Jordan 1 High OG Wash Blacks. And like I was telling y'all, the suede is decent on this pair. Not a bad looking shoe overall. The quality on it is pretty dope. I mean, it's a Jordan 1. You can't really mess them up, like I've said in the past. Even the on the high part, this light gray suede is dope too. So check it out. Little roundabout right there. The back side, got the side view, got that sail colorway on the damn midsole. Like I said, they're gonna sail us to death for the rest of the year with that yellow, you know, old vintage look. And then the only place, it says that it's got fire red on the sneaker, and the only place that has fire red is right there, ladies and gents. I don't know why they even put it on the label as being on the sneaker. That's just the you know, the logo. So it doesn't make sense to even put that it's fire red. You got your, you know, bottom sole, typical, you know, Jordan 1, you know, sole. And again, nice and simple colorway, nice and neutral colorway, and quality is there. It's definitely worth the retail, I would say. So if you guys are feeling it, I know they're sitting on shelves everywhere. Go ahead and grab you a pair. I know they're sitting on websites too. So might as well just cop them up. Don't listen to the brick wording out there. It's not a brick. So, all right, y'all. So let me know in the comment section what y'all think about the quality of it, quality of the sneaker, what you think about the look. And let me know if it's a cop or a pass, or y'all feeling it or not feeling them. So let's get back in front of this camera, get our final comments and thoughts on the sneaker, and let's take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Wash Blacks. Dope sneaker overall. Real casual, excuse me, not casual, real neutral colorway. I mean, I could see myself wearing these as a daily Jordan, rock, you know what I'm saying? Because they go with anything. So, I think some sneakers that get released at the wrong time of year get dubbed bricks when they really not bricks, and this is one of them. So, all right, y'all, let me know in the comment section what y'all thought about the sneaker, what y'all thought about the review. Let me know if y'all with it, or y'all with the sneaker, or y'all still saying it's a brick because y'all don't like the way it looks, or y'all copping, or y'all passing, or you're doubling up. If I catch these on a resale and they below retail, or I could use like my finish line points for them or whatnot to, you know, get $20 off or whatever, I'm doubling up if I get a chance to. So, all right, well, that was the review, y'all. Thanks for watching the video. Thanks for liking it. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for hitting that notification bell. Make sure that y'all stay and, you know, spreading the word about the channel to all your peeps that like sneakers and Legos. All right, y'all? Your boy truly appreciates you. Your boy truly appreciates y'all rocking with me. All right? So, then anyway, until next time, it's your boy Josh. You're on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in. And as always, holla at your boy.